Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? It's a very shock news for all holder. Must watch this video, holder. Otherwise, you are completely in the lost. I will give you guarantee, my brother. If you watch this video, you never lost in a crypto market. So this time, my brother, Hedera Hashgraph holder. It's a very good news for all of you to change account last 7 days. As you can see, my friend, 8% in the profit, and you will see, my friend, the change last 24 hours. So 10.66% the price is in the profit. So it's mean, my brothers, to the price is increased now, and last 1 hour 4% profit now. So it's mean, my brothers, to Hedera Hashgraph is on the trending and completely go in the moon now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly, holder, please, I predicate this coin, I share my opinion, and absolutely I will give you advice. So kindly, holder, be safe from a loss and watch this video. This time you can see 0.22 per USD dollar is the latest price of Hedera Hashgraph, and absolutely, my friend, you can see on the chart results. So this chart it's completely sure, my brothers, to this coin is in the profit, my brother. Please, I predicate this coin, but kindly like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, my brother. So you can say the red line, the red arrow is completely go in the moon now after this spell. It's mean, my brothers, to continuously the direction is starting moving upward now. So it's mean, my brother, to upcoming time there is more chances they will wake up and take a very good profit now. But let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly, holders, you need to hold it, because, my brother, if you starting holding, so exactly the coin will be increasing now and they will give you a profit now. So let's see to what they do. But kindly like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.